Hi, I'm Chloe, one of our customer experience team managers at Accelevents, and in this video, we are going to be covering how to set up a breakout room from within an Accelevents workshop. So once you are in the workshop itself, down on the bottom toolbar, you'll see this icon with four little squares on it. Hover over it, and you will see that it's labeled breakout rooms. If you click on this icon, it's going to pull up a menu on the right-hand side of your screen with the option to add a room. Please note that this option is only available if you are either a speaker in the session or one of the event admins. By clicking on that button, you're going to get a menu that allows you to set up your new breakout rooms. You can create up to 5 at a time, and then from there, you get to choose how you want to assign participants to those rooms. The first option is going to automatically assign them just randomly to one of those breakout rooms that you're creating. The second option is going to allow them to choose and then move in between the different rooms that you're setting up. So once we create our rooms, you'll see here that they are going to automatically be labeled breakout room 1, 2, 3, however many you set up. You'll see a number of icons to the right of those names. The first is going to be this little pencil and paper icon. Clicking on that will allow you to rename those breakout rooms. Make sure to submit after renaming so that the change saves. We also see the trash can icon. This is going to allow you to delete any breakout rooms you no longer need or maybe accidentally created. Attendees will not have those two options next to the different breakout rooms. To join a breakout room, you'll just hit that join button and you'll automatically be moved into your breakout room. You will get a little message to pop up letting you know that you are now entering it, and you'll also have a little indicator at the top of your page letting you know which breakout room you're in. When you're ready to either change breakout rooms or end the breakout rooms altogether, clicking back on this little breakout rooms icon will allow you to toggle in between the different rooms. Or if you are an admin or speaker on the event, hitting the end room button and confirming that you're ready to end the room will go ahead and delete it. By hitting that leave breakout button, you'll automatically be transported right back to the main workshop. It's going to be the same situation for any other attendees that were in that room with you. Makes it really easy for them to get right back to the main meeting space. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we highly encourage checking out some of the other content put out by the rest of our team. Thank you so much.